be good, di ba, Albi?
Ayun nga po, isa pa yun. Most of my scenes po kasama ko po si Miss Pai. So gusto ko po talaga na dalhin ko yung A-game ko. You know? Ayoko pong papahiya ko yung sarili ko pag kasama ko po si Miss Pai. So it tends to bring out the best in me yun po.
Pero, mahal tulog. This is the first time you're working with Nadine, di ba?
Opo.
How was it? Ano ba sa kanya nung bago mo nalaman you'll be part of On the Wings, you'll be working with Nadine and James? Ano ang dating sa'yo ni Nadine before?
Nung una po, alam ko naman po na mabait naman po sila, pero nung nakilala ko, sungit pala ni Nadine. Joke lang po. I'm having a lot of fun working with everyone on the Wings. Nadine, James, and all the other co-artists. We're all just having fun on set. And I think it shows, because, di ba, ang ganda po ng palabas namin sa totoo lang. And that's because everyone is really having fun and putting their best effort in sa work. So, yun, kita naman po sa product po namin.
Okay. More questions, A, from
Yes.
our